much kissing, audience. Too much kissing.
Tastes like oregano, huh?
I need to do the water.
No, we can't. Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Today is Saturday. Oh my God, it is 8:30 na ng umaga. Pero guys, tignan nyo sa labas. Tignan nyo. Ano man yan? Ulan. Tignan nyo yung mga dahon-dahon sa sa labas. Diba? Nag-change. Kahit itong kahoy namin dito, nag-start na siya. Nag-change. Roxy, oh. Do you wanna use the bathroom? You go outside and use the bathroom.
What?
You go outside, Rox. Do you wanna do poo-poo? You go out there. Tignan nyo. Ayaw niyang pumunta doon kasi maginaw. Kasi maulan-ulan, diba? Maulan-ulan sa labas, bibi. Let's see kung anong gagawin. Lala. Tutubag ko. May hangin kasi mahangin. Hangin. Kailangan niya guys. Si Misty andito, baby. Baby ni Mama andito. Oh, you don't wanna go outside because it's wet, right? Good morning! Today is Monday. So, magtutupi ako ngayon dito, guys, kasi ang daming tutupiin. Oh my God, my nose. Last night, guys, hindi ako makatulog na. Yung ilong ko, nagdi-drip-drip talaga, as in, tumatayo-tayo ako in the middle of the night. Hanggang umaga na, guys, dahil gusto ko, winawipe ko yung nose ko kasi hindi ko alam, palagi akong nag-sneeze, nag-atching-atching ba. Ang kate ng ilong at saka hindi ko mapigilan yung tulo. A little teeny tiny Christmas tree. I have a problem with this tree. Binili namin ito guys sa guys, Big Lots. Dalawa siya guys. Sus, kaya pala on sale kasi sira. Yung niya, yung stand niya doon, na na siya, sira-sira na. Ay nako. Yeah, so dyan muna siya, pero lagyan ko pa siya ng lights kasi parang kulang. Hi guys! Hold on. I'm just so happy right now because now I'm back. Actually, I'm back. I'm wearing the same thing again, and I have my candy. I have a candy on in my mouth, honey thing, because I'm getting sick. I feel like I'm getting sick, and so yeah. Anyway, I'm so happy because I'm watching right now live of Mommy Tang. Do you know Mommy Tang? Actually, Mommy Tang is the first mukbanging. She's back for 1 year, for a year. She's not uploading videos. She's not on YouTube. She's very quiet. And suddenly now she is like doing live mukbang in the restaurant with her friend, which is the very popular celebrity in Korea. And I'm so happy that she is back because my God, she is the original mukbanger. For me, she is the original. She is the first I saw, you know, like proper food doing video. No, actually, the other one that I watch is a guy. It's you know, he travel, you know, trying different food in different country. Mommy Tang. Yeah, I'm just really happy right now, guys, kasi you know it's been a while.
Look at that! Look how amazing that is. Oh, look at this.
She's Korean, guys, and I love her. She is unique. She is doing mukbang for a long time. She is the first one, I think, doing this mukbang. And to this Monday, Tommy is coming here, but it's gonna be late. So he's gonna be here, but it's late. Ito yung nabili ko sa dollar store. Sana okay lang siya, diba? At ito din yung color na nabili ko sa dollar store. It is poster paint. Nakakita ako nito. I don't know kung okay lang ba dito i-draw, pero I'm gonna put something under that hindi yung color hindi drip, yun, hindi magka-lagpas-lagpas sa sahig para hindi tayo mapatay ni Tommy nito. So yun, dalawa ito, which is just, I decided to get this glitter, which is, I really like the color of the glitter, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. Yun. Ang sakit-sakit ng ilong ko. Hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit atsing ako ng atsing. Sabi pa ng asawa ko, allergy daw. Ano lang, so sabi ko, hindi ako naglulutuhan, oy, kasi yung ano, panang may diarrhea pa ako, guys. Sabi niya, mag-pick up na lang daw siya ng pizza. I just try my best to edit my video, the gaming, and also, I try my best to make the video for tomorrow also. Thumbnail lang naman at saka title. Hi, guys. Mag-start tayo ng paint, guys. First time ko tong gawin. And, tignan natin. I-try natin kung marunong ba ako. Sip-on ko. Sip-on ko. Ah. Imong gupit ba? Nag-film ko, guys. Oy, nag-vlog ko. Look, I'm doing painting. Oh, look. Ambot kung saan yung koloran ni. Water ano ba ni? Water something. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Unsa? Binuang mga togs. Karon ra ko nagsugod togs.
So karon lang kay. Karon na pud natin may gibati to. Ora yan ang ipagawa. Gati mo bulan na ba? Pero so pinakaon niyo ba?
Wala lang, gusto lang kong magkuan. Magka ng testing-testing. Buang man, just learn, oy.
So lagi nakaon tinaypay. Drawing ha.
Ambot anig mauga ba ni?
Nanay ko ang baladong nga kuha na itong anong ito kuha na sa
Kamo na, kainyo daw ni i-translate ba?
hinungdan.
So yun guys, una kong nagawa ito. Ay, lobat na sana.
Yes, alas 8 is mabilis.
Mga kalukuhan sa buhay. Tignan niya guys. Ano lang siya guys, uy, para express ko lang yung sarili ko, ganun-ganun. Wala lang. And ito yung second one ko. Kung anong nangyayari sa akin, masakit yung face ko, mata, ulo, at saka yung ilong ko. Anyway, I'm just gonna take some honey candy. Yun. I-on natin yung Christmas tree, okay? Itong blanket ba ng ano ba? Oh? Oh, yung pusa ng ano, naglalaro na lang dito palagi, ha? On. Yan, dapat yung isa doon, pero nilagay ko sa taas. So, okay na yan. May Christmas lights na doon. Let's go out first. Come, let's go. Kalukuhan talaga tong ginagawa ko ba? Ang dami kong mga kalukuhan sa buhay. Nilagyan ko ng glitter, guys, di ba? Gumanda siya dahil sa glitter. We're going to wait for Dada because he's coming. Dada will be here soon. Oh my God, ako malagi imong kabuangan na yan. Yeah, he will be here soon. Sabi pa niya, binuang mga kama. You go get him. He'll be here. Dada will be here. Dada will be here. You're gonna go get him. Let's go. You wait, boy. You cannot wait. You can't wait. Why you can't wait? Still driving. Do you have to cry like that? Lala, watch out. Look at this craziness here. Look at Roxy standing up, following you, like walking in your butt.
Yeah, man. Okay, give me my kiss. Oh,
Hala, careful, hon.
give me my kiss.
Oh my god.
My kiss.
They're so happy. Hala! Oh shit! Hala! Oh shit! Poor Misty. Roxy, slow down. Roxy, slow down. Oh my god. Ah, no kisses for me or Han.
You didn't jump. Hey, hon.
Hala, look at that Roxy. She's been crying when I said, once I said Dad is coming.
I know, you're looking to see Grandma down there. I know. Go get her. Go get her.
Okay, Tommy get some. Hala, look at this. He got my pizza. Look at it, guys. The biggest pizza in the world. My favorite. And meron pa siyang mga extra dito. Bread. Really soft ng bread. Ito bread. Tignan nyo tong dalawa. Gamitin ko to para sa ilong ko. And pakitain natin ito. Ipakita natin ito kay Tommy. Itong mga kalokohan po dito. Ala. Oh, he loves you. Oh, he's kneading. Oh, like he's loving you. $25 each.
How much?
$25 each.
$25 each? Okay.
What do you think of that draw? Stupid?
No, it's okay. What happened? This one looks like you poured something on it.
I drew it, hon.
Okay. She's like, what
This is
that?
not a candy, little man.
Oh, it looks like it. Look.
Are you kidding me? You're so nosy. You're so nosy, Bob. No. This is not food.
That's right. Goes in your nose.
Where is... Are we gonna have dinner, hon? This is Thursday. Mommy?
Yeah, I know.
Well, this thing is hot.
He said, wait, what are you putting away my stuff for? Don't be putting away my stuff.
It already, so.
He said, I don't care. I ate already.
Why you are so
No,
spoiled?
I haven't treated.
Why you so spoiled?
I want some.
Why you're so spoiled, Bug?
Is this what you want? Well, that's the ham. You want the ham? That was all. I knew you'd jump. That's all. That's all. That's all.
Why this one is kind of look cheesy?
Because Zupa de Pesh is a fruit of the bar.
Huh?
That's Zupa de Pesh. This is fruit of the bar.
I don't know why they keep changing the name. Word Italian. I will show you what got. Got this pojabara. A pojabara.
That is mine. Salad.
The salad, he said. The salad, he says.
It's salad.
And this is the triot.
It's chicken, veal, and shrimp.
Yeah.
Front
And this is some pojabara.
Pachabaja. Fruit of the bar.
Fruit de ma. Why Italian keep changing the name?
They don't keep changing the name. The other one is Zupa de Pesh. This is fruit of the bar.
Pojabara.
Pachabaja. Ukuyuk. Ukuyuk. Dimbaloops. Dimbaloops.
No lips kissing. What are you doing? There is a bihon there. There is a fried chicken. There is
No salad.
There is shrimp baja. What did you put in your bread?
Butter.
Baja.
That's mostly ice. Mine. Mine. My bag.
Bear, watch out your face, huh?
My bag. Oh, you're a baby, are you? You're a baby. What is that?
Look at Roxy's body.
Scratchies. Oh, good girl. Good girl.
No playing.
Oh, too much
She rubbed her body to your face and
Too much kissing. Too much kissing, audience. Too much kissing. Yeah, too much.
you see Roxy's reaction. How is she doing? What's she doing?
Minutes of intense, mind-bending pleasure. More like 7 minutes of
Oh my God. You were on the track. What did he do to you?
The cat gave you itch, huh? The cat itches you? Yeah, but listen, those chocolate, that chocolate Lindor, or there's another one that once you open it, there's a lot of worm. Because some of it is a hole inside.
No, not that. You're talking about hibachi's.
Huh? Yeah. Tommy offered me to put something in my mouth. I don't know what he offered me. I feel crap, guys. Look at me. I feel really not feeling good.
You know,
Oh, it's already dripping.
yeah.
Okay, I'll do it.
You don't have to touch your mouth.
Just drip it. Just one like that.
No, just squirt everything in there under your tongue.
Squirt everything. That's a lot.
That's okay. Under your tongue. You're not supposed to swallow it. You're supposed to hold it under your tongue. It's supposed to absorb into the skin. Tastes like oregano, huh?
I need to put the water on.
No, we can't.
But it's already watery.
Don't dilute it, hon. Just wait a few minutes before you take a drink of water. No, you keep it under your tongue. You don't swallow it. It's supposed to absorb into the soft tissue under your tongue to get into your blood. Did you do it under your tongue? You want to do more?
Yeah, but it sounds like burning. And now my mouth is watery.
Yeah.
So now I don't have to swallow that.
Yeah, it's fine. You're swallowing, but.
The right here is really leaky, right?
Wait, we get.
She's smelling the oregano. She smells the oregano.
I know she smells it. Why isn't that bothering her?
Handa, you're itching.
You heard him
have to
crying?
wash your face. Huh? You know what, guys? Tommy is. Hold on, why is he?
Allergic.
Okay, guys. Good night. We're gonna end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm not feeling good, so I'm gonna end this vlog early.
Okay, and the fact that the battery's going to shut off any second.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Bye,
Good night.
guys.
Good night.
What do you think, Rox? Looks like a big bug, right? Like a caterpillar. Rox, you don't like it. She left. Come on, Rox, you don't like it?
Come here. Look again.